Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Get ready for the ultimate gaming challenge, where only true gamers will survive. Can you guess the game logo before the timer runs out? Let's see how many you can get right. Can you spot this blocky logo? Minecraft. Build your world. This one looks like a dance fight. Name it. Fortnite. Victory Royale time. Looks like boxes everywhere. Guess it. Roblox. Create and play. Helmet and pan illusion. What's this? PUBG. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Crewmate or imposter? Spot it. Among Us. Trust no one. Cars, chaos, and city lights. Name it. GTA 5. Welcome to Los Santos. Walls, weapons, and warriors. What's this? Clash of Clans. Defend your base. Crown Illusion. Can you see it? Clash Royale. Drop your cards. Sweet colors, tricky shapes. Guess it. Candy Crush Saga. Match those candies. Find the odd one out. Awesome! Flying Feathers. Name the game. Angry Birds. Aim and destroy. Run through rails. What's this? Subway Surfers. Keep running. Fire and Fight. Spot this logo. Free Fire. Be the last one standing. Legends with Wings. Name it. Apex Legends. Drop in and win. Sharpest Illusion. What's this? Valorant? Aim for glory. Champions Clash, guess it. League of Legends. Fight for victory. Two red marks. What's this game? Dota 2. Battle begins. Glowing circle, can you name it? Overwatch. Heroes unite. Crosshair illusion spotted. Counter-Strike 2. A bomb has been planted. Can you guess the game by emoji? It's Fortnite. Ball meets car. What's this? Rocket League. Goal explosion. Wobbly shapes, can you tell? Fall Guys. Don't fall off. Green Diamond hint, name it. The Sims 4. Create your life. Pokeball Illusion, what game? Pokemon Go. Catch 'em all. Golden Path Blur, name it. Temple Run. Run or be caught. Red Mark of Rage, guess it. God of War. Face your destiny. Red Hat and Smile, who's this? Super Mario. Let's go. Blue Streak Blur, can you tell? Sonic the Hedgehog. Gotta go fast. Dragon logo glow, name it. Mortal Kombat. Finish him. Dots and Ghosts? What's this? Pac-Man. Chomp away! That was epic, gamers! How many game logos did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome quiz battles. Only on Quiz RAD. See you in the next level!